পিঠা বানানোর জন্যে, এই যে পিঠা, এটা বানানোর জন্যে আমি এরকম ব্যাটার তৈরি করে নিয়েছি। ময়দা, চিনি, দুধ। ময়দার বদলে রাইস ফ্লোরও নেওয়া যায়। So I have prepared a batter to make pita using milk, maida and sugar. One can use, instead of maida, rice flour also. So we will pour it on the tawa. So I poured it on the tawa. I have given a filling, and now I will just flip it. The filling can be of jaggery and sesame, or I have used just now mawa and sugar, or grated coconut and sugar. One can use anything as a filling. So that's my pita ready to eat. So I'll keep it some time on this tawa so that it becomes little reddish brown, so that I get pita like this. Happy Makar Sankranti. Some people like it little more reddish brown. So make it according to your choice. Bye.